Weather alert, snowstorm expected tomorrow. Snowflake. A powerful snowstorm is forecast to hit parts of Colorado starting tomorrow morning, bringing heavy snowfall across Aspen, Vail, Steamboat Springs, Montrose, and Telluride. The storm will cause a sharp drop in temperatures and hazardous travel conditions, especially in mountain areas. Warning. Drivers should use caution and prepare for possible travel delays.